Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your plant into a gold plant using the gold fertilizer in Roblox Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this gold fertilizer and I got it from the Safari event. So guys, you can submit your fruits to the NPC and you will have chance or possibility to get this gold fertilizer in this Safari event. And I'm going to show you how we can use this gold fertilizer. So guys, basically we can use this fertilizer to turn our plant into a gold plant. And I'm going to turn my poison apple to gold poison apple. So we just need to click on the plant like this, and as you can see that my poison apple now is turning into gold, and it will end after 2 hours. Okay, and you will have possibility to harvest the gold poison apple. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn your plant into a gold plant using gold fertilizer in Grow a Garden new Safari update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.